Huh? Hi. Come on over here. Come over here and say hi. Are you just gonna stare at me? Oh, what can I bite to get attention? Hey. Hey, rascal. What are you doing? Huh? There you go. Come on over here and say hi. Hey, rascal. Come here. Say hi. Hey, how you doing? It's good to see you. Hi.
Hey,
Hi.
where's Tom?
You gonna bite me? Tom's in here.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hi. Hi. Are you gonna go try to open the cooler? Oh, you smell food in there? Huh? Oh yeah, you smell food. Give me some of that. Here comes your buddy. Here comes your buddy.
Hey, what are you doing, pretty boy? Huh? What are you doing, pretty boy?
Hey you. You want some snacks? Hmm? Want some snacks? I'll get some for you.
I see you.
You hear Tom? Huh? The sheeps are being shown. Oh, here comes a little sheep. Hey, little sheepy. Oh my God, look how dirty you are. She needs a shave or something. Or a bath. She's all matted from all the rain. Tommy's gonna come out and see you. Yeah. Will you bring him a snack?
Huh?
You want a snack? Huh? Beautiful morning. Want him to come out and say hi? Hmm? What's that? What's that noise?